Today, we'll be comparing Notion and Appflowy, two popular productivity tools. Both offer features like note-taking, task management, and collaboration, but they have different strengths and weaknesses. We'll look at 9 key areas to help you decide which is right for you. Notion boasts a wide array of features, including note-taking, task management, databases, and wikis. It's more than a note-taking app, it's an all-in-one workspace. Appflowy, on the other hand, focuses on note-taking and knowledge management. It's more streamlined with a focus on simplicity and ease of use. Notion offers a free plan with limited features, while its premium plans start at $4 per month. Appflowy, however, is completely free and open source. This makes Appflowy an attractive choice for those on a tight budget or those who prefer open source software. Notion's user interface is clean and intuitive, but it has a steep learning curve due to its many features. Appflowy, with its simpler feature set, is easier to get started with. Its interface is straightforward, making it ideal for those who want a simple, no-frills note-taking app. Notion integrates with a variety of other tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Trello. This makes it a more versatile tool, especially for teams. Appflowy, being a newer and simpler tool, currently lacks this level of integration. Both Notion and Appflowy offer good performance and security. Notion uses encryption to protect your data, and its performance is generally good, though it can slow down with heavy use. Appflowy, being open source, allows for potential security audits by the community, and its performance is also solid. Notion offers robust support and scales well for larger teams, making it ideal for businesses. Appflowy, with its simpler feature set and open source nature, may be more suited to individual users or smaller teams. Support is community-based, which can be a pro or a con, depending on your perspective. While both tools have their strengths, we declare Notion as the winner due to its broader feature set, robust integrations, and scalability. It's a versatile tool that can cater to various needs, from personal note-taking to team collaboration. However, if you value simplicity, open source software, and zero cost, Appflowy is a strong contender. Thank you for watching our comparison of Notion and Appflowy. Hopefully, this helps you decide which tool is right for you. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more comparisons like this.